All right. Yeah, we will move to another topic, but you did a great job in this topic. Wow, that's so amazing. The choice of words and phrases, as well as sentences, the grammar, are great. Very good. Okay, so what
Thank
will
you.
be? You're welcome. What will be our next topic? Mm,
I want to talk about divorce number 42.
Number 42, divorce. Oh, we don't have divorce in the Philippines.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we don't have that. So
You,
it's really a big decision here to get married. Because yeah,
you
it's really
can't put.
you cannot file a
Mm,
divorce. All right, first question. What do you think of divorce? Why do you say so? Yeah. Is it okay? Is it bad? Is it what? Neutral? What can you say about divorce?
mm, it's okay.
It's okay.
Mm,
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think it can't be helped.
Mm-hmm.
Mm, we might
Mm-hmm.
make a mis decision
Mm. Like a wrong
to get
decision, right?
married to
Yes, yes,
someone.
yes, yes.
So if we made up my our mind,
Never mind. Uh-huh. So there's a chance to to have a divorce.
yeah,
Yeah.
we should have a chance
Mm,
to give up.
the marriage. Okay. Yep. So is it the only solution to a bad marriage? Is divorce the only solution to a bad marriage? What do you think?
Mm, it's not only
Hmm.
solution.
Not only the solution.
It's the final
Final,
solution, final way.
the final way, yes, because after that
Yeah,
you will separate with each other, right? So it's the
yeah.
final way. There could be some other ways, right? That is the worst or the final one. So, but before that, you can think first of other ways, maybe to save the marriage, right?
Yes, we needed to discuss a lot.
Discuss a lot, yes, yes.
We can live apart
Mm-hmm.
before
Mm-hmm.
making that decision.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Try other ways, like maybe you need some professional help, right? Counselor,
Professional help. Yeah.
counselor, like something like that. Marriage counselor.
Mm,
That's right, that's right. Okay, but if nothing really works, then maybe that is the last solution.
mm,
Yeah, so you are right. I like your answer. Not the only solution, but the last.
yes.
The final solution.
Final
The
solution.
final, yes. All right, so is what comes to mind when you hear the word divorce? Yep,
Mm,
what comes to mind? Yes.
mm, mm, mm. Sorry.
Mm-hmm. What comes to mind?
Money, about money.
Ah, okay. So
Mm,
it's about money or yeah, most of the time, right? It could be money or about third party problem, like right? Maybe another
yeah.
guy, another girl, or another man. Yeah,
Mm,
sometimes it's the problem. All right. Is divorce a big problem in your country? Is this a big problem? Uh, did you notice? Is it like become is it increasing, divorce cases?
Increasing.
Yeah, is
So,
it?
could you say it again?
Oh yeah. Is divorce a big problem in your country? Is it is the divorce cases increasing or just normal? Just
Uh,
normal. What do you think?
I'm not sure about it,
Okay, okay.
but I have some friend
Mm-hmm.
who already have divorced.
Mm. Mm-hmm.
Mm, they look happy.
Oh, really?
So yeah, not happy now, but I think they had a lot of trouble
A
when
lot of
they
trials, yes.
divorced, but they are fine now.
They're okay now. They
Yeah,
have already recovered, right? Move on. Mm,
yes,
that's
and
good.
they
Mhm.
got married again.
Again. Oh, I see. So both of them are your friends? The two of them? The husband and wife?
Mm, yeah.
Oh, okay, okay. So they got a solution. They got a solution to
Ah,
their problem.
sorry.
Mm.
He got married to other girl.
Ah, okay.
Mm,
Yeah, yeah. I mean, yeah. Their solution to their problem is divorce. Yes, yes.
yeah, he
Okay.
used the final decision.
All right. That was very tough decision, right? Um,
Mm,
hmm. Do people get divorced too easily and quickly today? What can you say about the divorce in your country? Because in my country we don't have divorce, so I'll be asking your country about divorce.
ah,
Is
mm,
it quick? Is it or difficult?
yeah, yeah, I think it's difficult.
Uh, like
Mm,
maybe how
they
long? How
can't.
long? All right.
How long?
Is it a year or months? How long will it be? Will it
A
take?
few months.
Few months. Okay.
It takes a few months.
How about
Mm,
money? Is it expensive?
yeah,
Very
that
expensive.
guy still pay money
Okay, so the man will
to,
pay the
yeah,
woman.
yeah.
Oh, so the woman has a new job.
Mm.
All right, Yuya, thank you so much. See you again
Thank you
next
very
time.
much.
Great job for
See you
today.
again.
All right, bye bye.